Hello, and thanks for stopping in to have a look at a brand new product from Trinity Stamp's third birthday party release. This is the Mini Slimline Dainty Scallop Edge die. It is really cute. Our Mini Slimline Dainty Scallop Edge die set features 3 pieces, 2 panels with the scallop edge on the outside, and 1 smaller die with an inside scallop perfect for windows, frames, and shaker cards. This is a really unique and creative die set, and you can see here that the 3 images are cut. The white layer is the largest, the colored is the next, and this here on the back side is what it looks like if you die cut that smallest. It just creates a window opening, and then you can choose the size for the larger die or from a different die set if you'd like to create a different shape. I like that this has the little scallops already included in it. And then you can use the negative piece to pop back in if you want to have something stamped or colored or die cut, and it works perfectly. So much fun. Let's take a look at some design team inspiration. You can see here that you can use it in lots of different ways. There is also a larger version of this Mini Slimline Scallop die in this release, so you can choose from the 2 different sizes. Thanks for stopping in to have a look at this new Mini Slimline die, available on June 25th.